CTBL4Ever production.
Brownies!
We're making them!
Heat oven to 350 degrees F for shiny metal pan.
I gotta
Or
pee.
200,
I'll be right back.
325 for dark.
Ellie, who are you talking to?
Myself. Wait, Jessica, I can't cook!
I need to pee.
I almost burnt the house down making popcorn! Grease or use cooking spray bottom of pan. Do you have cooking spray?
Yeah.
You spray the pan.
Like so. Until it is over buttered. Like that.
Stir brownie mix, pouch of Hershey's fudge, water, oil, and egg
I need
in
a bowl.
medium bowl until well blended. Spread in pan. These are terrible directions.
Guys, the oven is still on.
It's preheating, woman!
Vegetable oil and water.
See, you're gonna need
1/4 cup of water.
There's oil involved.
Taste ingredients before putting in the bowl.
Yeah.
Bless you.
Make sure you sneeze all over your pan.
Yummy. Bless you. Where's the trash can?
I don't have them. We eat our trash.
No, I think bag.
We're very green people.
So far, you should have this.
And if you can't stop sneezing,
Make sure you put extra snot in the bowl.
yeah.
Don't sneeze on your dog. I can't help it. You take the bowl and
It should look like this.
then you add 1/4 of
It
water.
does taste good.
It does? Don't try this at home.
Yeah, you can try it.
Or not. YOLO. Can you use olive oil
Some
instead of
EVOO?
vegetable oil?
Don't eat the trash. Hey, this is vinegar. You think that would work?
Vinegar? We're not putting vinegar in the brownies.
You're a bitter person.
Jessica, wait.
We're gonna try to put food coloring in our brownies.
Hey, what does brown and green look like together?
Black?
Ooh. Make sure you don't do that. Unless you want to, you know? YOLO.
Add 5 drops or as many as you want of green in your brownie mixture. Is this edible?
Yeah, it's probably like a substitution or whatever. Did you?
There isn't! Jessica, no temper tantrums. Can olive oil be a substitution for,
Leave a comment.
vegetable oil?
Yeah.
Well, they're completely different tastes.
So what?
Oh well.
No,
YOLO!
no, because that. Don't do it.
Just do it.
Why?
You can't eat that.
Yes, you can.
We are gonna make these brownies and then we are sending them to you.
I'm doing what I want.
You can't have a lot of it. It's only supposed to be like for like a little taste.
Hey, we do whatever we want
Well, we're not drinking it. We're putting it in the brownies.
if my mom says it's okay.
Yeah. As long as mom says okay.
Guys, it's not gonna come out the same.
We're gonna like come to your house and throw these brownies at your
Ooh.
door. Have to
Put
clean it.
olive oil or vegetable oil.
It
We
should
put
look
olive
sort
oil.
of like this if you put in the green food coloring, like a boss. Look at it.
Break the egg.
Oh, I think it's ready.
The oven's still heating up.
It just beeped.
Guys,
It looks
it's warm.
terrible.
We're cooking.
Sort of.
Guys, it's warm.
Have an imagination. Go play pirates. That's what I used to do. You fiend! Make sure you take
Taste
a
it.
nice handful. Oh, it tastes terrible. God, it tastes terrible. I have chocolate chips.
Oh, we should put those in.
Yeah.
There's more.
That moment when you realized it was a terrible idea. There's more chips than me.
It should look something like this.
Yeah, if you're stupid.
Could be funny. I need a napkin. Do you have napkins in this house?
We don't believe in napkins.
Put mixture in pan.
If it can come out.
Okay. Oh my god, that's disgusting.
I know. Are we? Before putting it in the oven, realize how dumb you are for actually following these steps.
If it means a lot to you,
That was...
yeah.
No comment. That was beautiful. Just forget about the rest, because you ain't getting it out, sister. And just forget about that too. Haley, how long do they sit in there for? I can't read. 20 minutes. Oh wait, that's prep time. 3 hours? What the heck? Oh wait, that's done. Never mind.
So after you cook them for about 30 minutes to an hour, it was like an hour, but we put chocolate in ours, so yeah. And you cut it wonderfully, just like Jessica did. And then you can eat it.
As long as it doesn't burn your face off.
Oh god, what?